Last week I saved 30 hours using 5 completely free AI tools. Not 30 minutes, 30 hours. And the exact same system earned $500. Zero experience needed, zero cost. Every tool and every step, right here. Creators using AI now produce 3 complete videos in a single day. The ones failing are still doing everything manually. There is one mistake almost every beginner makes in month 1. It killed my growth for 6 weeks. I will show it at 8 minutes 30 seconds. Stay here. 5 tools, all completely free to start, all beginner-friendly. ChatGPT writes your scripts. Google Flow generates your visuals. ElevenLabs creates your voiceover. CapCut assembles your video. vidIQ finds your ideas before they peak. In 10 minutes, I show you how each works and how they connect. Here is what changed in 2026. The biggest barrier to YouTube used to be equipment, camera, microphone, editing skills. That barrier is gone. AI handles every step of production for free. The question is not whether you can start. The question is whether you will start before everyone else does. Tool 1 is ChatGPT. Most beginners use it wrong. They type, "Give me a YouTube idea," and get something useless. The difference is the prompt. One structured prompt gives you a complete script, title, description, and content calendar in 60 seconds. Before AI, I spent 8 hours writing one script. Research, outline, draft, edit, rewrite. Now I spend 4 minutes. 8 hours saved per video every week. 32 hours saved every single month from one free tool. Use this exact prompt, copy it word for word. You are a YouTube scriptwriter for a beginner AI education channel. Write a 10-minute script about, then paste your topic. Make every sentence sound natural, spoken aloud at 125 words per minute. Include a hook, 5 tool tutorials, and a subscribe call to action. Press enter. Script appears in 30 seconds. A bad title means 0 clicks. Even the best video dies without it. Give ChatGPT this prompt. Write 10 YouTube titles for this script. Use a number, include the word free, and end with a result the viewer will get. Pick the one that makes you want to click. That is your title. Data beats guesswork every time. ChatGPT also builds your entire month of content in 3 minutes. Prompt: build me a 30-day YouTube content calendar for a beginner AI education channel. Include titles, posting dates, and one hook idea per video. Focus on topics that save time or make money. 30 days of content, planned, in 3 minutes, every Monday. How much does ChatGPT save you every month? Script writing, 32 hours saved. Title testing, 4 hours saved. Content calendar, 3 hours saved. Total, 39 hours back in your life, every month, just from one free tool. Tool 2 is Google Flow. You type a description of what you want on screen. It generates a professional image in under 10 seconds. The model is called Nano Banana Pro. It produces the clearest, beginner-friendly text on screen of any free tool available right now. Open labs.google.flow in any browser. Click New Project, name it after your video. Set the model to Nano Banana Pro. Set aspect ratio to 16:9. Type your scene description. Click Generate. 4 image options appear. Pick the sharpest. Your scene visual is done. No design skills, no camera, 0 cost. Here is the feature that saves the most time across a full video. Generate your laptop image once. Save it as an ingredient. Call it MacBook Base. Every scene after that reuses the exact same laptop automatically. Consistent visual identity, 0 regeneration time. One setup, used in every video you ever make. If any word renders wrong, do not regenerate the whole image. Use the lasso tool. Click it. Draw around the wrong word. Type the correct text. Click Apply. Only that word changes. Everything else stays perfect. This saves hours of regeneration time across a 60-scene video. Critical rule before you move to the next tool. Always export PNG, never JPG. JPG compression blurs your text before the animation tool even receives it. PNG preserves every pixel of sharp text through the entire pipeline. PNG only, every time, no exceptions. This single rule prevents most text corruption problems downstream. What does Google Flow replace? Hiring a designer for 60 scene visuals. between $500 and $2,000. Google Flow, completely free. That is money saved that goes directly into your profit every single month. Tool 3 creates your voice. No microphone, no recording room, no voice training. ElevenLabs generates a natural, human-sounding voiceover from your text. Free tier available. Paste your script, select a voice, click Generate. Your narration is ready in 30 seconds. Which voice should you choose? For a beginner AI channel, choose warm, calm, and authoritative. Not robotic, not overly enthusiastic. Test 3 voices on the same paragraph. Play each back with your eyes closed. The one that sounds like a knowledgeable friend, that is your channel voice. Use it on every video. That builds audio brand recognition. Do not paste your entire script at once. Paste in batches of 5 scenes. Generate, download, label each file by scene number, scene1.mp3, scene2.mp3. This makes assembly in CapCut much faster. Organization now saves you 30 minutes of confusion later. Use these direction tags to make the delivery sound human. Pause 1 second or 2 seconds adds natural silence. Breath adds a breath. Emphasize adds vocal stress. Slow down reduces pace. Speed up increases it. Without these tags, AI sounds like a robot reading a list. With these tags, it sounds like a professional narrator. What does a real voiceover cost without AI? Freelance voice actors charge $100 to $400 per video. ElevenLabs free tier, $0. 4 videos monthly, at $200 each, $800 saved, every single month. Running total of monthly savings after 3 tools. ChatGPT saves 39 hours of writing time. Google Flow saves up to $2,000 in design costs. ElevenLabs saves $800 in voiceover costs. And we are only halfway through the tool stack. Tool 4 assembles your final video. CapCut is free at CapCut.com, desktop and mobile. Import your animated scene clips from Grok. Import your voiceover from ElevenLabs. Drag them onto the timeline in scene order. Your raw video is assembled in under 10 minutes. No editing experience required. First brand layer, your watermark. Text, add text. Type, @AI Leverage Hub. White Montserrat bold, position bottom left, opacity 70%. Drag the text layer to span your full timeline. Every frame of your video now has your channel name embedded. Even screenshots belong to you. Second brand layer, your electric green progress bar. Shape, rectangle, color hex 00FF88. Height, 8 pixels, top of screen. Keyframe at 0 seconds, width 0%. Keyframe at the end, width 100%. The green bar grows as your video plays. Proven to increase watch time by showing viewers how far they are. Background music at 8 to 12% volume only. Audio, music. Search lo-fi focus. No lyrics. Set volume to 10%. At this level, music is felt, not heard. It fills silence between sentences without competing with your voiceover. That is the difference between amateur and professional sound. Before you export, review your full video once. Check. Watermark visible on every frame. Green progress bar growing correctly. Voiceover aligned with on-screen text. Export. 1080 pixels, 30 frames per second. Bitrate high. Save as AI Leverage Hub _ your title _ final. What does a professional video editor charge? $40 to $100 per hour, 3 to 6 hours per video. That is up to $600 per video in editing costs. CapCut, completely free. Assembly time, 20 minutes. Tool 5 is the one most beginners skip. And it is the reason most beginner channels never grow past 200 views. vidIQ finds YouTube topics that are rising before they peak. It tells you exactly what to make and when to make it. Most channels guess their topics. You will use data. That is the only real difference between channels that grow and channels that disappear. Open vidIQ.com. Free plan. Click daily ideas. Every day this updates with rising topics in your niche, sorted by a score. Green means rising fast. Pick any topic with a green score above 50. That is your next video, decided by data, in 30 seconds. No more guessing, no more zero-view uploads. Here is the combination that changes everything. vidIQ finds your rising topic. You take it to ChatGPT. Use this prompt. Write a 10-minute beginner-friendly YouTube script about. Paste the topic. Target people who want to save time or make money with AI. 125 words per minute. Idea from vidIQ. Script from ChatGPT. Total time, 4 minutes. Before you finalize your title, run it through TubeBuddy. Free plan at TubeBuddy.com. Type your title, check the keyword score. Green means high search volume, low competition. Publish. Red means rewrite the title first. This 60-second check is the difference between being found and being invisible. Use vidIQ every Monday morning. Open daily ideas. Pick 4 rising topics. Take them to ChatGPT with this prompt. Turn these 4 rising YouTube topics into a full 30-day content calendar with titles, posting dates, and 1 hook idea per video. Your entire month planned in 10 minutes, every Monday, forever. Finding the right topic before it peaks is the difference between 100 views and 10,000. The same video on a rising topic earns 10 times more than the same video on a saturated topic. vidIQ makes that decision for you, every day, for free. There is one more tool in the pipeline I have not mentioned yet. After Google Flow generates your scene image, you need to animate it into a 10-second video clip. That tool is Grok, free at Grok.com. Go to Imagine, Video, Image to Video, upload your PNG, paste your motion prompt. Grok animates your scene into a video clip, in 30 seconds per scene. Use this exact motion prompt for every single Grok scene. Stable locked camera, 0 camera movement. Screen content completely static. No scrolling, no movement. Clean, professional screen recording tutorial style. Not cinematic, not a film. Flat, even lighting throughout. Every word sharp and readable first frame to last frame. Duration, 10 seconds. Mode, standard. That prompt prevents every common Grok animation problem. 2 non-negotiable rules before you download from Grok. Rule 1. Generate 3 times per scene. Pick the sharpest text. Rule 2. Always click Upscale before downloading. Default Grok output is 480 pixels, not publishable on YouTube. Upscaled is 1080 pixels. That is what you need. Upscale, then download. Every time. No exceptions. Here is how the complete pipeline runs each week. Monday. vidIQ finds the topic. ChatGPT writes the script. 4 minutes total. Tuesday. ElevenLabs generates voiceover. Google Flow builds all scene images. Wednesday. Grok animates each scene. CapCut assembles the video. Thursday. Upload to YouTube with full SEO setup. Friday. Video is live. Earning while you sleep. Total active work time per 10-minute video. vidIQ research, 30 seconds. ChatGPT scripting, 4 minutes. ElevenLabs voiceover, 30 minutes. Google Flow scenes, 40 minutes. Grok animation, 30 minutes. CapCut assembly, 25 minutes. YouTube upload, 20 minutes. Total, 2 hours and 30 minutes, down from 30 hours without AI. Here is the complete income picture. 1 10-minute video per week on a rising topic, average 1,000 to 5,000 views in month 3. YouTube AdSense at $4 per 1,000 views, $20 to $25 per video minimum, 4 videos monthly, $80 to $500. Ad Shorts, $50 to $150. Total, $130 to $650 monthly, from free tools, from 2.5 hours per video. Every 10-minute video becomes 10 YouTube Shorts automatically. Use Opus Clip, free plan at opusclip.com. Upload your full video. Opus Clip finds the best 10 clip moments. Post one short per day across the following week. Same keywords, same niche, more reach. One upload becomes 44 pieces of content this month. One video, 44 chances to grow. Once the system works, scaling is simple. 2 videos per week instead of 1. Double the income. vidIQ gives unlimited ideas every day. ChatGPT scripts them in minutes. Google Flow and Grok build visuals automatically. The only limit is how many you choose to publish. This is what a system looks like. It scales without you working harder. Month 1 feels slow. Your first video might get 20 views. Your second might get 50. That is completely normal. That is how every channel starts. Month 1, you learn the system. Month 2, you get faster. Month 3 is when it changes. Channels that reach month 3 almost never quit. The formula is simple. 1 video per week. Same day every week. Same format every video. Consistent posting trains the algorithm to push your content. It also trains your audience to expect it. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency above everything else. Not perfection, not production quality, consistency. Here is the mistake. Spending all your time making video 1 perfect instead of making video 2. Most beginners spend 3 weeks on their first video, tweaking the thumbnail, rewriting the script. Video 1 gets 30 views no matter how perfect it is, because new channels have no audience and no algorithm trust yet. Video 10 gets 300 views, video 20 gets 3,000. The mistake is treating video 1 like it is video 20. Publish faster, improve as you go. Speed of publishing beats perfection at every stage of early growth. One important point before you publish. YouTube requires you to check the altered or synthetic content box for any video using AI voice or AI-generated visuals. This is not optional. Skip it and risk losing monetization permanently. Disclose AI content. It protects your channel, and your audience respects you more for it. Here is a realistic income timeline for this exact system. Month 1, $0 to $50, learning phase. Month 2, $50 to $150, consistency phase. Month 3, $150 to $500, growth phase. Conservative numbers, 1 video per week, rising topics. Not viral numbers, consistent system numbers, the kind that compound month after month. The system builds momentum. Momentum builds watch time. Watch time builds subscribers. Subscribers build income. That is the chain, and it starts with publishing video 1 this week, not next week. Everything in this video is available to you right now. Every tool is free. Every prompt is copyable. The system works in any niche, not just AI. Finance, health, travel, true crime, motivation. vidIQ finds rising topics in every category. ChatGPT scripts any subject. The only thing that changes per niche is the topic. The system stays exactly the same. One action right now. Subscribe to this channel. Next video gives you my exact Google Flow prompts for all 60 scenes. Copy, paste, generate. Done. No subscription means you build every prompt from scratch every time. Subscription means you never build a prompt from scratch again. That is the difference. Subscribe now. Drop your niche in the comments. I will find you a rising topic today.